How to use AT&T Mobile Hotspot feature. To use your AT&T Mobile Hotspot feature, first of all, you simply have to open the settings of your device. Now scroll downwards or swipe downwards from the top. To access this quick panel, you should be able to find the setting gear icon on the top right corner. Depending on your phone, the setting gear icon may be on the bottom right corner as well. All you have to do is access this setting panel from there. Now, once you open this, you simply have to head to the connections option, then head to the mobile hotspot. Once you find this option, all you have to do is go ahead and turn it on onto your device, then once again tap on it to access its setting panel. From here, give your network a name, password, and once you type it, this is how you can set up your mobile hotspot within the AT&T. Now, all you have to do is simply open your data as well. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.